Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Yahoo Finance for stock analysis. First, open Yahoo Finance in your web browser. Then, type the stock ticker symbol, like OPL for Apple, into the search bar and press Enter. This will take you directly to the stock summary page, providing an immediate snapshot of its performance and essential information. It is a straightforward way to begin your research. On the summary page, pay close attention to several key financial data points. You will see the current stock price, along with its daily high and low, giving you an immediate sense of its movement. Also, look at the 52-week range, which shows the stock's performance over a longer period. The average volume indicates how many shares are traded daily, often around 50 million shares for large companies, reflecting liquidity. For a more in-depth analysis, click on the Statistics tab. Here, you will find crucial valuation metrics such as the price-to-earnings ratio, which might be around 25 for a growing company, and earnings per share. This section also details dividend information, if applicable. Next, explore the Profile tab to read a brief description of the company's business, its sector, and industry, providing valuable context. Finally, navigate to the News section to stay updated on company-specific events and broader market trends that could impact the stock. Reading recent headlines, perhaps 5 to 10 articles, can offer critical insights. Additionally, check the Analysts tab for expert opinions, including their ratings and price targets, which can provide a forward-looking perspective. Combining these elements offers a comprehensive view for your stock analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.